Hey guys, welcome to another video to your channel How to Do It. On today's video, we are going to discuss the new update Android 17, and we're gonna do some showing of the features that we got on this new actualization. It's gonna be really interesting because it looks like Google heard of us and they put a lot of things that we've been asking for. So they did a lot of improvements and they surprised us with a lot of stuff that we didn't expect. So let's dig into it and let's get to the features. So let's begin with our first feature that we got with the new actualization of Android 17, and that is bubbling up apps for multitasking. That's correct. Remember those conversations they used to bubble up on Messenger? Now it's up for applications. So you can have up to 4 apps open at the same time and they can be dragged on anywhere in the screen. And that's gonna give us multitasking looking apps with bubbles thingy. So that's our first feature. Our second feature we got is that now we can hide the names of the apps on the home screen. That's correct. If you want a clean looking, minimalistic looking um, screen home, then you can do it with the new actualization, correct? You can erase those names and just have the icon of the app in the screen. The third feature we got is going to be the Google search bar that we got on the Pixel on the bottom. You know, you cannot remove that thing, right? But now you can like customize it and do it with a lot of color, transparent, whitish, blackish, or whatever. So that's good because it looks so boring having it the same way. Now we can customize it and make it look a little funny now. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, subscribe and like the video. So I will see you on the next one.